Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable an email account in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait for all your emails to load completely before moving forward. This ensures that Outlook is fully initialized and all your account settings are properly accessible. Once your inbox is loaded and ready, navigate to the Send/Receive tab at the top of your Outlook window and click on it. This tab contains all the settings related to how Outlook sends and receives your emails across different accounts. Within the Send/Receive menu, look for the Send/Receive Groups drop-down option. Click on it to reveal several choices, and from the list of options that appears, select Define Send/Receive Groups. This option gives you control over how each of your email accounts behaves within Outlook. After clicking that, a Send/Receive Groups window will pop up on your screen. In this window, you'll see different groups listed under the Group Name section. Double-click on all accounts to open the detailed settings for this group. This is where Outlook manages all the email accounts you've added to the application. Now you'll see all the accounts currently associated with your Outlook app displayed on the left side of the window. Disabling an email account from here is quite straightforward. Click on the specific email account you want to disable from the list on the left side. Once selected, look for the checkbox that says Include the selected account in this group. This checkbox controls whether the account actively participates in sending and receiving emails. Go ahead and uncheck this box by clicking on it. As soon as you remove the check mark, you'll notice an X icon appears next to the email account icon. This visual indicator confirms that the account is now disabled. What this means is that Outlook will no longer send mail items, get folder unread counts, or receive mail items for this particular account. The account remains in Outlook, but it's essentially inactive and won't sync anymore. Once you've configured everything the way you want, click OK to save your changes and close the window. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the email account in Outlook without removing it completely. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.